real quick how-to on this 2000 Blazer, or Jimmy, or the old's equivalent, and most Chevrolets with these external filters. Most external filter vehicles are going to be pretty similar to this. They're going to have either two quick connections like this, or they're going to have the one that you need the plastic clip that goes inside that pushes the spring out to disconnect, or they'll be threaded on both ends. On this Blazer, you got a 16 or 5/8 here and a 21 here, which the 21 is pretty loose, but the 3/4 or 19 wouldn't fit on it, and I don't have a 20, so it works just fine though. So 16, 5/8, 21 here. Then here you just got these pinch style ones, so you need to simply just pinch this plastic, kind of push it in some, then pinch it and sort of push out or pull with your other hand, and then that'll come out. And then on the top here you'll see it has a 13mm bolt holding the bracket on. I probably don't have to actually take that all the way out. It has this sort of a friction holder, so this filter is probably just going to push out. But if you're having trouble getting it out, you can go ahead and just take that off, and that will aid in removing that as well. But that's all you really got to do. And just be careful that if you just ran your truck or whatever and you let it sit overnight, there could be pressure there and it's definitely going to leak gas. So just be careful with that. But that's all there really is to it. Just threaded connection, quick connection, and then the bracket is a 13mm up here. So 16, 21, 13, quick connect, and out in reverse order. Thanks for watching.